Alright, I was your friend, I'm sure baby. Aha, you Ghana Send TV. You best say, we best subscribe to the channel and if I'm going to do it, our comment section. Farming, and yeah, and say, who person we are poor, then you can go into farming. Alright, into me, Obi and person be poor. Nobody want to be poor, everybody want to be rich like you. And to say, if I want to be rich like you, I shouldn't go into farming. And now you are telling me, say, farming now, or say, Obi ko now ube toss our products now, or you know, never yet sound yogurt and unkuto yogurt now, okano. You have already downgraded that farming. Why can't you pan say, who per se, who ye, and your farming a bit to mama way ye. You don't even believe in farming. My brother, you don't even believe in farming. Who can you? You said it. We have video evidence of you saying it. Say you don't believe in farming, but who's catching us? That same person who does the person as well. And I will say, you have this big land, and why are they not farming on it? But you told the people farming is not good. Ubabon say be catching kofone say farming is useless job. Say who person we poor. If you want to be poor, who person we damn, who person be ye wa abrabom da, and you go into farming. This is what you told the people. Intiene udu hodoma na wo sa catching sad same people ni say, oh me ba no me say me was asase kakra bi hodom. Why are you people not farming? Ebra wa catching kofone say farming is a useless job. Farming nye ejuma nipa betumi aye yi. This is what you told the people. Who can you? How are we going to believe you now? How do you want them to believe you? And nothing now who say odi takasi. And some time ago, and I say, "Wunya zero ewo." No, not the region. There's zero. Don't be papa. Let's be clear to you. The zero no now can say, and if you unya zero, you not accept the result. No, don't accept it. Na zero no ubenya. Your friend say, Obi ono akasa fi ni northern region side honum kra ono kra wanya zero in some of the police stations and now John Dramani Mahama okra ofi honum kra wanya zero in some of the police stations and now who catch here say and now nya zero na engine ya brew share be see sometimes then we should mumayen kanu kra ne kire ne say mumayen kanu kra ne kire ne say share. If you see NDC, ome yi nkofo edi every NDC no de ome yi omedi two good people ani do huni lobote ome yi omo de ome yi omo if party no but this party no to me we need power until once and then I'm sure say ome yi omo if party no until na de bia without this NPP party no omo nyopia. Without NPP party, without the NPP party, no you be. Say musi muye then go out and go and form your party. Muye mupi na mungo form party no na affect NPP party na she. But see, are you even popular than this Alan Cash? You were not popular than Alan. Alan was so popular in this country. And NDC for Alan Ba, you be the same thing, the same pattern now almost 1 year, and Alan Ba will vote for Alan. If Alan come, we and I mean NDC, but Moody Alan Ba, you be Alan more call independence when you say Alan or free MPP more call independent. I know to me, yeah, number Ben with me pulley, you be some. I did and I this and that. PFP party no mo. Upia na affect party na. You will leave this party. No matter what you do, this party, this NPP party will come back to power. Say take here 10 years will come back. We don't care the number of years I better keep back. We will surely come back to power without you. Arentina who every day be saying you are and you be. Udie and I mia and you bia. And you bia, ye catch her say. If you feel say the party has not been good to you, because me say the NPP party and some people can be that is they try everything possible to side with you, but always be a who or be if always sad in a Yako conference. You have never been a distinct even the party leader before. Obi already vice president who crown her in the name of the NPP party, Obedi NPP party name him as a vice president Yako Congress. And the two former presidents now money ho. And the next person is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I read in the pictures at 200. We'll see why do they put you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia picture. Ewo honmu and I am for one too soon. But you have never lived this party. When the party with that. Even minority leader and I say majority leader in parliament one to me and Yebi. You couldn't do so. One to me and the DB. We who crass a wakasa with parliament poda. And this is now was who president did know who call anything. Ube anything I ye catch them. We are young force as and so. Humpa, Fimu, Ufima, ye bay ye. Ya catch them. Frima. Ah, ye bay ye papa. And see, we will not sit down for you people to spoil the party for us. Per party na far consider baby. Yeah, we judging pa. The NPP party big. It is big. The same way if Dr. Krafi party na the party will still stand. The same thing applies to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Usufi party the party no best stand. The party will be fit. Yeah, catch them. What do I say? Yeah, catch them. So yeah, pesa a yenu and I did the when I was man conform and they will beat. No. That is not what we want. You are free. But tonight you campaign. Everybody should feel free. Share the world is big for everybody to fill in. And then the piano you want it say and you bia. Hadn't now oh dear say and you be me see if you feel say you are so powerful in the NPP party now say who fit party no more party the party better na say who dear fimu na ehwe frimu na ehwe say e betuma say party na and to me who am a party no e bet no matter how I take it time we will come back yeah papa power ni the NPP party no ye beba. Now, God is not even your hometown. You don't even believe in that God. But now, also, President didn't. We see Christians should decide the vote. Christians, men, will decide. Christians now will catch you to say, Kramino. Christians now will see. Almost say, Kramine. I sorry, Ben, I will call. Honorable, I sorry, Ben, I will call. Which church? Check Benkra na wakobida I na ye ko hono ma ye behum se wo di wo hono mo by na de wo ka kire nkofo say the Christians are going to decide which vote and I would message we shouldn't allow the minority tribes to overtake us the majority here tribal politics and I would now. Who are the minority? But who call vote and now catch them say you are one of them. Yes, I worry I been here only about 3 4 a vote on. And you said you have 200 and something houses. Bisa who said bisa mun say a dino back we see back vote ho. And I do man also over 7,000 employees now. We see be a woman who here. A son of now fake cry, you man back who can you. Nti say that na pano e be ka kire wo say na memo wadwuma o so odwin hu MTN na wo kuro ma na kra omu workers yesen MTN a wo kuro ha ene omu workers kra yesen. How many workers are MTN ewo na this and this ejuma ben show us the job. Unami and Kawudi products and I'm saying, oh, these are my products, these are what I produce from my company. Yes, these are the things. That is what we call a evidence based and now and then a produce chocolate ukroma. And I produce chocolate. Into who do I be kuruma, who do vote Harisina, and I would be a guy. Udian or Horma, Udian, a guy. Company where is the company located? The enemy say one a co-store now will see what temana. That is all. Co-store now what temana will see you know. No pay. Na de biam wejuma and I'm wujuma. And I'm wujuma. By a bomb pima reverend in sin for job. You send Canadian cough aqua attack. Na ye ka kire mo says enye sei na ye pay no na say ana musumu pen dia no problem sa na musumu pen say mu start say mu bu nkofo ewo kemba o zere won and I'm with Juma, a Juman product and away, he product a Juman away, he Mumu came back, who's winning Jumani be. By this time, you people should line up the people now. More 7,000 people now, must wage Jumani. People should line up them. Because of that, because of Muntino, you see, share, me see who NPP near who don't NPP party now, you realize, say, the only people now almost supporting and I said defending the NPP party. These are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Fope. You will not go to any platform who Canadian for say they are defending the NPP party. Yes, the only thing they are doing is say they want imagine and say their candidate should become the flag bearer. That is all. They don't want to criticize it. And anything that you catch them say they are in bed with the NDC because the NPP who NPP ni pan I would do NPP because hey mami can't tell them NPP first before anybody even if it is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia NPP back NPP will hold and son of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia by and NPP will be there and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will go. The same thing applies to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. The same thing applies to him. He said the party first before anybody. And so we say party nipa. I would do NPP party. You will not you will not leave the work of the party. Your whole concentration will be on one person. I will pay the power. And he said one nipa wana actually say party ningu. This is your mentality. How can it be for modern? This is your mentality. Meaning say a script na modi amamu say e mamu criticize aban na wo so sisiana na say niama time na e koso sisiana. You people should prove show me one video of a Canadian Kofu a descending or these NDC people. Budget na e koso sisiana. You see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for and Kwana e kasafa ho. You will not see any Canadian Agyapong Kofu e kasa fasa budget no. Why? Because they don't believe in the NPP party. These people are not the correct NPP people. Who the NPP are? The NPP will come first before any other person. This President John Dramani Mahama government now ambassador or the 13.1 billion the private jet. 13.1 billion or the private jet. I'll bet name money in family for they will sit inside and be enjoying. your nurses wokroma last and the health minister be catch Ghana for say by 2028 over 120,000 nurses are going to be in the house without work. See, over 120,000 nurses but they have 131 billion, 13.1 billion top private jets. That 113.1 billion can employ these people. Share last 2 days, teachers a year demonstration. Abine say Uniska or the Befon, but Abine Ska or the top private jet. And you call yourself say we NPP I would do NPP party. And then you come out and tell us that Nyamana Ekosun who the who she found say BB there's nothing wrong with it. It's normal to you. It's normal. Into Uber catch say government and they say half in a baba. Into say say because Mukos situation now is on say your candidate to become should become your friends the leader of the NPP party, which is not going to happen because God is saying you put your heart. Who said they be you people cannot be trusted. We can't give you the NPP party. And to me, fam, because if you can't defend something, as see, I will see the same thing that you want to lead. You can't defend it. And two person will lead you and say now be defend it. Tell me, when are you going to start? Ube start here for him, fam. Ube start here for him. Even if this time you can't defend your own party now, you are crying for somebody. Say, this is our party. You don't want to defend the party and you call yourself say we a party need mapa. Mubekasa ena obi ena we that ben obaye. Ena we that ben obaye. Nipa na wa buy and drag no. Or boy juma per se party no. And say ba who die who see who candidate in corner who see who per se umbra power. Umbeli this our party we. Umbeli di party now who per se who be defending that party no. Who die say your candidate should become the flag bearer, whether crook or hook. That is all. But say ube sorry I defend the party with the lalai unye. Lalai unye, this is it. Lalai unye, who kashire say, na dabena we buy it. Who party no mudada, and you love the party not because you love somebody. The party, my party no, and who here. Let the party be my party no here will send him and I will see you supporting no. Because at the end of the day, no, the person that you are advocating for say Obelidi no or Belidi party no, into say who tenasi, who kwama no kwa, we jai party no go no. At the end of the day, say party ni gua or Belidi ni mami and say Obelidi ni papi ni papa. Who kwama obi say Obelidi party no. But you find it difficult to defend the party that you want somebody should come and lead. Baby, I should be any dear found who dear pen say your candidate should come and lead the NPP party. That is all your headache. Your headache none say your candidate should come and lead. Until he say party no person will be defending no. Ube chance say time now we candidate no be to me be winning way no flag bearership no we winning we are na party no go so e that time no say party no go so e ube then obelidi hwan it is say who see who do party na you should know say party comes before any other body, any other person. Obibia party no first. I support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, but party is my first priority. The party is my first priority before Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia didn't come before the party. But some be jai say Juman. But mure musi be jai party jumani ye to defend the party no be jai and the mbe jai na to. But one mudajina na say mu candidate should come and lead the party. Ne dey mu ye part mu ye the pabonfo. You people are too evil. You are not good people in this party. You will have to. There was a pam in a party. Or say a pam. Me say, Muye Mutu Mutan, no French so crowbars down. Mu candidates no only di. Into ye catch them, say, Mumayan, boom. When it comes to the party, I was saying now. Everybody has to be involved. You be cool. Bamudi ambeja juman majai party juman ninama Dr. Mahmoud ba ya phone. I'm telling you, I'm daring you people say, if you people say maybe me try to try. Munko Kennedy Agyapong call for platform so. Munko so no munko share say. If there's any day obe who say Kennedy call for best sorry anopa no defending the NPP party no aside say or be defending the way the candidates, they don't do it. They don't want to do it. They don't want to get involved. I said they be a government in way, you know. It's okay with them. It's okay with them. But that is why they are only even the Nipa don't within a chinecrano eba bunti be catch say it is too early to criticize the government. Really. So we are not surprised. Because if the leader now mukra mudi ne channel bet baba bonti abeka chere say it is too early to criticize the government now also by phone government now we promising for 24-hour economy 10 months 11 months ni Nanado it took Nanado 7 months to introduce the free SHS no because the biggest policy no and now we have over 6 point something youth graduated from SHS to Nanado dam kwa father Dr. Mahmoud ba me free SHS. And always be America said napo hey sa papa no nyame be hira no papa napo why boy juma wo education ministry hono and kanya napo na ejina ye me say new education minister oba no ansa na ye koy ne kra ye friends educhu why are there but when it comes to the free SHS policy no nipa wo to be kina ye kun ye hey to fight with hey napo nyame be hira no papa de bia ye bo doctor ni Danado Kwandi but nipa na wo di ministry no etu with crit hey unim the way these people some of the headmasters some of the headmasters omuku against Napo but Napo was able to make sure say free SHS be jina and sana educhum every America baye nti say ye wase na bia ye fama Napo wa boy juma papa Napo Mbashirano nti say nti am say NPP we lack nkofona. They have to be patriotic. What I say nipa you have to be patriotic. Ube hu say they be no matter what say NDC for be more honma she nyama tata na ekoso they defend the party with their life whether good or bad krano they defend it. Na poko kasa asem we have NPP people amudi Kennedy Agyapong echi and na podi onim kasa but time na po e boy juma wo Ghana ha from education ministry to energy. But see what you put mu NPP for people mu nim dia you don't know, you don't value what you have. You don't know the people that mu. You don't know, you don't value the people that you are having in the NPP. Penifo mu da NPP ano. We don't value them. You value munim me who say like I said munim say go for we juma na mu bono. See, just look at the parliament. We have extremely minority and crane parliament. But look at how these people are frustrating a large number of people. Agboja was one of majority leader AY3ka say, and they can match the NPP MPs in the Parliament House 2 kran. They are not Rebecca still kran. They will still have numbers remaining. But this small number of people, look at it. Look at how these people are fighting in the Parliament House. Look at the work they are doing. You think, say, they are still majority in Parliament. You think NPP is majority in Parliament because we have the people, we have the young men, we have the men, we have the ladies. NDC MP, English our can. Look at the English our can. Muti English mami we can. Domi kwa benya. Musu mo. You sold your color TV makwaji black and white. Domi kwa benya. Kwa benya o se kwa bena o. You feel it. You feel say yes, NPP is in Parliament. Because of English and brofone a lot of people NDC MPs to me kasa. Especially Uber voted in MPs na bibre. They can't even talk to me kasa of Parliament. NDC MPs don't move voted in. The way one of who say this small boy back on ofi top and Georgia side on Edemagbana and pay. Aside that, all of them want to win kasa. Agboja de anka say we your friend say bro, it is sad. But we the NPP, we need to value the people that we are having because me see sometimes me see some bonk of wedding pan and bona po ejuma na po in this in Nanado Danko Akufo government na one kran Rebecca say na po anyejuma. And then you have NPP people and we lost election because of Napo. Oh really? We lost election because of Bia. What difference it is at two? I will buy Juma Emma. Every such as a man, Kola Kobe. Una say part two now. Would Jimmy or conversation honeymoon? Ubushia for any be call and Kanyana poor. Nena na do that go father Dr. Mahmoud Baumi and ka bushia for fresh SHS there kind of SHS no obi bebre nko bi bebre. They will not go there. They will not rest there. But because you want people with vision, you feel yes, these are people, these are educated people. You know what they talk, you see it in them. You see the difference between the NDC and the NPP. You see, say there's far difference. We have the people. We have what's up? And with all these intelligent people now you will Parliament House now, then we should allow Kennedy Agyapong to lead the party. Hey. So I shock you. So we can shock you. So with all this number of people now you will our Parliament House. Boy Juma, look at it. Budget debate na ekoso. You look at it. Because of English, they can't even stand. They can't. And then you with all this thing, you just want Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to lead NPP, eh? Sana mumu pa chiremi. And you want it's not right now. We can do better. NPP party no here broad. Very big. Until I see. Since they don't want to work for the party, since the Kennedy Agyapong go for one person be a Jumama party in India. Yet. But we are fighting for the NPP party and we are still fighting for our candidates. We will not sit down for your candidates to take over. Adia, you people refuse to fight for the party. The person will come and candidates. the mu person mu kuma nkwa mu candidate no enu pe. But we are fighting for our candidates and we are fighting for the party because we believe that this NPP party, it comes first before any other person. You believe it, say the NPP party can survive without Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The NPP party can still survive without Kennedy or Agyapong. So, as me, patriotic that I am, I believe in my party before any other candidate I support. That is why I'm telling you that we will not be defending the party that you people are saying, say you want your candidate to come and lead, that you people don't want to defend. Person will be defend this our party we. Now Kwama party no, as a Kwama your candidate no, and then you expect us say we will allow you to win, you will allow your candidate to come and win us. And see, now me cry my name back so. Because no amaja party ne to ho, you left the party, amaja party na to ho. Amuye nipa bakun kwa ejuma. Se party ne say we are na obelidi hwamu. Se mo jai party ne wie. Na party ni collapse ya obelidi hwamu. You people should be asking yourself this question because you candidate na kran babon say be ka chere Ghana for say ono who fought bia e wo government na e wo susisia no. Enti on to me criticize you. That is why their followers, his followers are not also party. So they are always fighting for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. They are not fighting for the party. Because if you people should be fighting for the party, and by this time, some budget review now, you see all of us, we all fear. Me see, aside say yeah, supporting one party, one candidate or another. The party no cranu here ye more. Until say party in some bar, we should all come on board and do it. Say we can have our own fight. You bet tomorrow you talk quiet normal. But yes, I'm talk says within that fight, you see, we have some twins be sad twins for me. Me who twins be a twin crime ba. No me twin ba. Sad twins they fight every day. Almost to me kun de bia. But they don't allow outsider kun nipa baako. And then they will sit down and watch that person. They be yes. This is what we need to do as a NPP youth now. Yeah, Kwama ye candidate. No party. We should know say the party comes first before any other person. Until we should know how say ye betu me kumba. Say this for the insem ba. Was saying na ye jay candidate na ye ko end this for so. That is how we need to move. And no be to ma boayo but say my jai party ni juma and mu di mu candidate in kwanchi mu di mu candidate mu de mu Jimmy mu de Kennedy for mu Jimmy papa o say Jimmy na o chiro go on me descend o mu so say obi ba ba to me fool mo start say mu Jimmy e wo comment section no me start sisi a obi ba be ka kire me say oba be tumufu fa Jimmy efia ka ma me block you ma me ma no obi ba be ka kire me say obetumufu ba me ba no me come party ho asem ba Kennedy for Jimmy for na mugu conversation hono mo won se mu ba bejeje me wo start jeje me se me start here me ka me pese obi aba betumi fu me pese obi aba betumi fu because mu see mayen ya obi a mayen nyese nti na me buy no. I'm talking about our party and my candidates. Nyama ye betuma ye se na be ya be boa ye party no aboa obibia but mudi musa mu jimie no efi mu camp hono mu ensa abaha mudi sa mu jimie no efi ho eba se me di shiamu a we will have people that will join this live to be telling me say